barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we are doing something else with bacon. That's right, we've been on a whole bacon kick for a while. Basically because I did a few videos with bacon and everybody's like, hey, try this, recipe with bacon or whatever. Why not? Hey, bacon's awesome. I love bacon. Doesn't everybody love bacon? Most people love bacon. But anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to wrap some chicken in bacon today. Just some little bitty like tenderloin pieces in bacon. And we're going to put those suckers on the smoker and see how we do. Because sounds delicious. I seen the recipe. Somebody sent it to me. Forgive me. I don't remember who it was that sent it to me. But it looked amazing. And we're going to give it a shot today. So I got the chicken here. I got the bacon. Let's get to cutting these suckers up. Let's get to seasoning them. And I'm going to get them on the smoker. pull it off. Well, folks, that's it. We are done with the cook. We're going to do a little taste test here. I'm going to see if you can see it. There we go. Look at that. Doesn't it look good? They look fantastic. They smell fantastic, and I can't wait to eat them. So let's do a quick little taste test here. Killer. Pretty killer. Well, that's it, folks. That is all I got for you today. Follow me on the social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at NewbieQ2020. Follow me on TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. Give me a thumbs up down here underneath the video somewhere, and hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell. Hit the bell. That way you don't miss a thing. We don't want you to miss any of the videos. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling.